Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we got wholesome new problem which says let x comma y be positive real number and m comma n be positive integer. So both are positive. The maximum value of this expression. So we have to find out the maximum value of this function. So suppose that I will consider this as f of x. So x power m, y power n, 1 plus x power 2m, 1 plus y power 2n. Now what I will do, I will divide numerator and denominator by x power m, y power n. So we will be left with this 1 by x power m plus x power m. This is the first quantity, and then 1 by y power n plus y power n. We have to find out the maximum. So if denominator will become minimum, it is maximum. Okay, so if denominator will increase, do you remember inversely proportional? So in inversely proportional, if denominator increases, value decreases. In directly proportional, if numerator increases, value increases. So we have to find out the minimum value for the denominator. Okay, then we can get the maximum of function. Now if you will observe the denominator, it is exponential function, it is exponential function, and both are different because base is different, x and y. So we will solve them separately. And if you'll observe, they are talking about maximum minimum, so we should think about the first filter as am gm hm and the second filter as application of derivative. As things are positive, that's why we will apply the concept of am gm hm. Things are given in addition, and if you will do the product, it will be neutralized, so we will go with am and gm. So am greater than equal to gm. So it is x power m plus 1 by x power m upon 2 greater than equal to x power m into 1 by x power m power 1 by 2. So this thing gone, we are left with 1. 1 power 1 by 2 is 1. So x power m plus 1 by x power m greater than equal to 2. So the minimum value of this thing is 2. Similarly, y power n, because this is same, no, it is symmetric, so it is also 2. So the minimum value of the second component is also 2. Okay, so can I say that f of x max is 1 by 2 into 2, 4. Okay, so this is the required value. I hope the idea is clear. You guys can apply this question into certain questions. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.